In today's video, I will be showing you how to install Paint.net onto your Windows 10 PC or laptop. The first thing you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to click on this link here, and you now need to click on download now, and we now need to click on this link here, and go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, we can now open the zip folder, and you now need to drag the .exe to your desktop, and we then need to open up the setup file by double clicking on it. You now need to click on custom and select your language, and we then need to go next. You now need to agree to the terms. If you agree, click on agree and then next. And you now need to choose which options you would like to keep selected. I'm happy for all these options to be selected, and we then need to go next. And you then need to choose where you'd like to install Paint.net. I'm happy for it to be installed on my C drive, which means I need to go next, and then next again to install. Paint.net will now begin to install onto your system. Once Paint.net has finished installing, we can now keep Start Paint.net selected and go Finish. And there we go. As you can see, I now have Paint.net installed onto my Windows 10 PC. And that is how easy it is to install this free image editing program. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.